Good morning, everyone. We, the class of Form 2, are delighted to welcome you to our class assembly today. Our class assembly is all about shining bright and being ourselves.
Good morning, everyone. We are little butterflies, and you are the flowers who live in this beautiful garden.
Your uniqueness is what makes our garden vibrant. And just imagine how dull the garden would be if all the flowers were the same. Our differences makes us extraordinary.
Oh, look, some kids are coming. Let's give them the stage.
That really happened. I never thought that could happen.
It just happened.
The car was going too fast and went over a speed bump. Wow, this is so beautiful. You're so talented, unlike me.
Yes, I also wish I could draw like that. Everyone's so good at something and I'm just struggling. Hey, what's on your mind? You've got a great talent for problem solving in math. That leaves me scratching my head. We all have our strengths. खुदा ताला कुरान मजीद में फरमाता है बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम तबारकल्लाहु अहसनुल खालिकीन. As Allah Ta'ala states in the Quran Majid, He has created everything in the best manner. Likewise, we saw that Allah Ta'ala has given each and everyone their own talents.
Yes, you're the best at studies. She makes things look so easy.
Look who's talking, the star of the network.
Yes, and our Tahir is also good at science. We all have different strengths that make our class diverse and interesting.
I never thought about it that way. Maybe I should appreciate my skills more.
After all, we all bring something special to the table. Each one of us is unique. Instead of comparing ourselves to others, let's celebrate our own strength. Maulana Ali alayhi salam फरमाते क़ीमतुल मर्इ मा यक़सिदहु. As Maulana Ali alayhi salam states, a man is valued for what he does the best.
Maybe I should focus on what I'm good at instead of what I lack.
We're getting late. We better get going.
And so, the students begin to recognize that in this shared garden of talent, each bloom contributes to the overall beauty. Do they know this realization is just the beginning of their journey to shine bright, be you?
What a beautiful day, isn't it, Hussein? Oh, look at that! That's the famous influencer, Priscilla.
Priscilla, she's so famous for her kindness towards everyone.
I know, right? Her life seems so perfect. I wish my life was like it.
Yes, their pictures always have perfect lighting and flawless backgrounds. And they get so many likes also.
अभी हम अपनी पूरी शेयर करो अभी तो तुम्हें लाइक करो करने में
Let's go get an autograph. Oops, they're getting it all wrong. I should go and rescue them. Hello everyone. I heard you were talking about social media. And wanted to join the conversation.
Did that butterfly just stop?
Social media often showcases highlights, not the full story. Remember, everyone faces challenges. Influencers like Jay Shetty and Murtaza Bakri use their platforms to share both successes and challenges, showing that imperfections are part of life.
Because if we can't appreciate where we are, we will never appreciate where we get to.
And self-esteem is built by recognizing how many difficult things you do every day. Everyone in this audience does something hard every day. And self-respect, self-esteem is built by noticing how many failures you've been through, how many challenges you've been through, how many difficulties you've been through. And if you just reflected on those for a moment, you'd realize you're a lot stronger than you think. Now, when I started my career as a speaker and life coach, a lot of opinions, a lot of people came back to me with negativity. But I knew why I wanted to do what and how. And I just went ahead and did it because that felt good. I felt more aligned and fearless, and I did not let anybody walk over my self-esteem, my self-worth. I hope this video helps you bring back your self-worth, bring back the control of your own life, and don't hand over your control to other people and other people's opinions.
So let their stories inspire you to be kinder to yourself. Stop comparing yourself to what you see on the outside.
I already had so much work to do and had to deal with that nonsense also. Make that man there. Maybe we shouldn't compare our lives with what we see online.
Exactly. The real magic is in the everyday moments. Shine bright, be you.
Comparing yourself to others is like trying to fit a square peg into a round hole. It just doesn't work. Each person is a unique piece of the puzzle, contributing something special to the big picture.
مولانا علي عليه السلام فرمانا شيء المؤمن للمؤمن كالبنيان أشد بعضهم بعضا. مولانا Ali alayhi salam states, a moving brother to another moving brother is like parts of a building. Each one of them supports each other.
That guy is everywhere on TV.
So what?
I am talented manifest. I have become very successful at just the age of 20 with a $20 billion company, a $250 billion mansion, and a $300 quadrillion net worth. But my biggest flex of all is I have a wife.
Because I'm achieved at an age, I feel like I'm falling behind.
Yes, Aman. I also feel the same.
What are you talking about? Everyone's journey is different. What's bothering you?
I see people my age doing big things, and I'm just here trying to figure things out. I think he has a wife.
You're on your own path, figuring out life at your pace. That's perfectly okay.
It's just hard not to compare myself, you know? I seem to have everything figured out.
Trust me, appearances can be deceiving. People showcase how successful they are, but they don't really see the struggles and uncertainties they face behind the scenes.
How do you manage not to get overwhelmed?
I've learned that life is more about the journey than the destination. Embrace the process, celebrate small victories, and don't rush yourself. You're building up your own story, and it's unique to you.
Maybe I need to focus on my journey instead of comparing myself to others.
Absolutely. Remember, it's okay not to have everything figured out. You're making progress Your journey is shaping you into someone amazing. Just take one step at a time and you'll find your way.
I guess I will start appreciating my own progress and stop worrying about keeping up with others.
That's the spirit. Life is a marathon, not a sprint. You're doing great, and I believe in your journey.
Keep going and you'll surprise with how far you can go.
That's true.
Did you hear that? Another soul realizing the beauty of their journey.
Exactly. Let's spread the message. Life is a beautiful journey, and we all have our own wings to explore it. Imagine life as a beautiful garden where every flower has its own color and fragrance. If a tulip started comparing itself to a daffodil, it would miss the beauty it brings to the garden. Similarly, you have your own qualities that make you shine. Don't get lost in comparing. Instead, appreciate your own unique beauty.
Think of yourself as the one-of-a-kind art. Each stroke of the brush adds to the canvas of your life. Comparing is like trying to match your painting to someone else. It takes away the beauty of your own masterpiece.
Life is more enjoyable when you appreciate the story unfolding within without constantly measuring it against someone else's flawed traits.
හැමෝගෙම කතාව එකම විදියයි.
ඔයාගේ කතාව ලස්සනට ලියන්න.
මතක තියාගන්න. ඔයා ගොඩාක් විශේෂයි.
මොකද්ද? ඔයා වගේ කෙනෙකුට ඉන්නේ ඔයා විතරයි.
As we conclude our class assembly, I would like to express heartfelt thanks to our principal sir, teachers, and all of you for your support. A special thanks to our class teacher, Miss Madhuri, and our senior teacher, Farida Sheikh Sabir Bhai, for their exceptional guidance and encouragement. Thank you all. In class, we stand tall.
With humble uniqueness, we give our all.
We let our self-esteem so high.
Together we shine, reaching the sky.
Miala Tala, Grandma Mola, Sayyidina Ali Qadar Mufaddal Saifuddin, a long and a healthy life in the day of judgment.
Ameen.
For now, 18.